Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 123 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. In honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, today's meditation is a soft reminder that you are not alone. Let's begin by getting comfortable. And when you are ready, let your shoulders relax. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Breathe in slowly and exhale gently. With each breath, let yourself feel held by this moment, by the sound of the ocean, and by the quiet presence of others who also struggle. Now, silently repeat to yourself, I am not alone, and my feelings are valid. If your mind wanders, return with kindness. There's no need to fix anything. Just breathe. Let this stillness be a gentle reminder that you are seen, you are cared for, and you are never alone. Now, when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and take a deep breath. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of peace, presence, and gentle awareness.